Making sushi is completely different than making Chinese food, and it requires a few different ingredients that you're gonna need to pick up in order to replicate that sushi restaurant feel at home. Number one, the rice. Sushi rice is very specific and it's cooked in a very specific way. I would recommend going with Takumi Gold rice. It's kind of like the gold standard for sushi rice at home, and a lot of restaurants use it as well. You're gonna need rice vinegar to mix everything together and put on the rice after you cook it to give it that actual kind of stickiness and flavor that you love about sushi rice. Kombu, this is kind of his secret weapon. It's dried seaweed, and you stick it in the rice when you cook it, and it adds that umami flavor that you can't replicate any other way. Sugar and salt, you're gonna have to add that to the vinegar mixture when you put it into the rice. It's essential. Obviously, that's easy to find. Secret ingredient to sushi rice, sake. Yeah, sake. Don't worry, the alcohol cooks off when you use it, but if you use an ounce per cup of sake when you're cooking the rice, it's gonna give it a shine, like a sheen. It's gonna make it silky, and it's gonna give it a little bit of sweetness, and you'll 100% tell the difference between sushi rice made with sake and sushi rice made with just water. For my videos, we're gonna be dealing strictly with California rolls and salmon, because that's what my son wolfs down like you've never seen, is salmon. And so I'll show you how to take a piece of salmon that you get from the fish market, cut it up for sashimi, nigiri, and rolls. You'll also need the nori to make the rolls and the bamboo thingy to roll them up. All that will be in the description below. If this seems overwhelming, just take a second and breathe deep, and then look in the description, because there's a shopping list down there and affiliated links. If you click on something and buy it, I get a little bit of kickback. I can make more sushi. Bonus, in another video, I'll be bringing in real wasabi root, and I'll be making real wasabi and comparing it to the wasabi that you get in America, which is essentially just horseradish. Pickled ginger, you can pick that up in the supermarket. Soy sauce, anything on the shelf at your grocery store will do. Kikkoman, low sodium, non-low sodium. You can use coconut aminos. That soy sauce is fine for sushi. Subscribe, hit the bell, stick around. When you're ready, come on back here and let's make some sushi rice.